Hello, welcome to today's English lesson. Today we're going to be talking about adverbs. We've already learned about adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a word that's used to describe a noun. For example, the big elephant. Big would be describing the word elephant. Using your knowledge of what an adjective is, does anyone have a guess as to what an adverb might be describing? If you guessed a verb, you would be correct. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. It can tell us how, where, and when an action takes place. Today, we're going to be looking at how adverbs. So adverbs that tell us how something is being done. Remember, an adverb is a word that describes a verb. It tells how the action is done. For example, the old dog snored loudly. We can ask, how did the dog snore? And the answer would be loudly. Loudly is describing the action of snoring. Let's look at another example. The turtle walked slowly across the sandy beach. How did the turtle walk? Slowly. Slowly is an adverb because it describes the verb walked. Let's try one more example. Bob quickly rode his blue bike to the park. How did Bob ride his bike? Quickly. Quickly describes how he rode his bike. Therefore, quickly is an adverb. Now it's your turn. Write a paragraph with a minimum of 5 sentences about one of your favorite activities. You'll be describing how you do this activity. Your paragraph should include at least 5 adverbs, so 5 words that are describing how you're doing something. Underline your adverbs. You're going to do this in your English journal. I've got an example here I would like to show you. Here's the example. Each year, I eagerly wait for the arrival of spring so I can work in my garden again. Eagerly is the adverb describing how I wait. I excitedly visit garden centers to buy plants. When I get home, I simply dig holes, gently place the tiny plants in the ground, and completely refill the holes. Then I carefully water my garden. The plants grow and gradually begin to flower. That's when I sit comfortably on my deck and peacefully enjoy my garden. So the adverbs I have underlined are eagerly. It describes how I wait. I didn't underline excitedly. Excitedly describes how I visit my garden. Or how I visit the garden centers. So that would be an adverb as well. Simply dig. Simply describes how I dig those holes. Gently is an adverb because it tells how I place the plants. Completely is an adverb that describes how I refill the holes. Carefully describes how I water my garden. Gradually tells how the plants begin to grow or begin to flower. And then comfortably, that's when I sit comfortably. That's describing how I'm sitting on my deck and peacefully enjoy my garden. Peacefully is another adverb. It describes how I enjoy my garden. Now, there are 3 mistakes in the paragraph I've written. If you can find those 3 mistakes, I mentioned 2 of them, send me a message. I'll see you soon. Bye.